what we're going to do today is we're going to use the properties of logs to find other logs. So now we're going to use those log properties. And so I listed all of those for you. Product we add, quotient we subtract, power we're multiplying. And then I also listed the special log rules. So remembering our special logs, if we have b to the log base b, so those bases are the same, what happens? They cancel, and our answer is just the exponent x. If I have log base b of b raised to an exponent, so the bases are the same again, those also cancel, and our answer is just the exponent. And then anytime I take the log of 1, no matter what the base, the answer is always going to be 0. So that's going to help us out a little bit. So what we're going to do today is similar to what we did in the homework. We're going to expand our logs, but they're actually going to give you the values of some logs. So in this case, and I put a bubble around it just so I remember that it's there because it's kind of small. In all of these problems, we are given that log base 10 of 36 is equal to A, and log base 10 of 4 is equal to B. Sometimes you will get letters as your what we're equal to, and sometimes you will actually get numbers. So what our goal is for these next 6 examples is we want to write all of our logs using log base 10 of 36 and log base 10 of 4. Because our instructions are to find the following in terms of A and B. So we want our answer only to be in terms of A and B. Okay? So what we need to ask ourselves for the next examples is how can I rewrite it in terms of 36 or 4? And it can be any combination of those two. So number 1, we have log base 10 of 144. How could I write that in terms of 36 and 4? Any ideas? I can do product. That would be log base 10. What about 36 times 4? What do you get there? 144. So this is the same as log base 10 of 36 times 4. Right? So this is product rule. So how do I split that up? Log base 10 of 36 plus log base 10 of 4. What's log base 10 of 36 equal to? A. Plus log base 10 of 4 is equal to B. Is my answer in terms of A and B only? Yep, so that's my answer. That's all we're doing.
I'm a little confused.
So let's do number 2. Log base 10 of 16. How could I rewrite that in terms of 36 or 4?
Log base 10 of 4 times 4.
4 times 4, or couldn't we even do 4 to the second? You will get the same answer either way. Okay? So what rule is this one? Power rule. So before we go on, let's bring that 2 out to the front.
Wait, why isn't it just 4 times 4?
We'll do it that way too, and we'll get the same answer.
Okay, so it doesn't have to be both? It doesn't have to be A and B?
No, not necessarily. In this one, we're only looking at base 4, so, or the number 4. So this is going to be 2. Log base 10 of 4 is what?
B.
B. So my answer is just 2B.
There's no 36.
There's no 36 in this case.
So let's say for number 1 there was...
Okay, so we could have also done this as log base 10 of 4 times 4, right? Which would be log base 10 of 4 plus log base 10 of 4. Log base 10 of 4 is B, so that would be B plus B, which simplifies to 2B. So you get the same answer. Okay? You can do it either way. If you write it as B plus B, it would be incorrect because you need to simplify it as much as possible. So combine like terms. Okay? Not too bad, right? Okay, number 3. Log base 10 of 36 divided by 4. This one's already basically done for us, but what rule is it? It's quotient. So this is log base 10 of 36 minus log base 10 of 4. Log base 10 of 36 is, they told us it was equal to A minus B. So that's my answer, A minus B. Log base 10 of square root 4. How could we rewrite that? 4 to the 1/2, which would be what rule? Power rule. So we bring the 1/2 in front. So that is 1/2 log base 10 of 4. And log base 10 of 4 is what? B. So this is 1/2 B. Or you could also write it as B over 2. You can write it either way. Okay. I tend to write B over 2 instead of 1/2 B, but you can do whichever way you want. Okay. Number 5. Okay. Number 5. Log base 10 of 1/4. Now I already have a 4, but it's not log base 10 of 4. So how could we rewrite it?
Log base 10 of 4 to the next.
Log base 10. If I want to move that 4 up, I have to make the exponent negative. So that's log base 10 of 4 to the negative 1. So what property is that?
Power.
That's the power rule. So we bring that negative out in front. So that's going to be negative 1 times log base 10 of 4. So that's going to be negative 1 times log base 10 of 4 is B, so we just substitute B in for log base 4. Negative 1 times B gives me negative B. Number 6, log base 10 of 36. Now there is one going to be exactly like this on your homework, so I need all eyes up here. How can we rewrite 360 in terms of 4 or 36? How? Yes. This is the same as log base 10 of 36 times 10. This is going to end up being one of our special rules. Okay? Because this is log base 10 of 36 plus log base 10 of 10. Log base 10 of 36 is what? Is A plus, okay, now this is a special rule. If 10 is by itself, it has an exponent of what? 1. So log base 10 of 10 to the first power, that log base 10 and the 10 cancel, so it's going to be plus 1. So my answer is A plus 1. So you can also get a number that is the exact same as the base, so that they can cancel each other out.